My name is Nonima Tikela. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I want us to talk about Brigadier Gininda. I don't know how he is feeling wherever he is. Oh my God. I wonder how is Gininda looking at himself in the mirror at these days. How are things at home? Hey, how are things at home, my Ginny? Gininda, how are things at home, sir? Because I doubt that you sleep peacefully. I doubt at all. Yes, at this point, if I was you, me, I was gonna go to court, Gininda. Let me do this video because I know about Gininda. Do watch these videos. Say, let me give you a very smart advice. If I was you, me, I was gonna go to court. I don't care what you did and stuff like that. Now I was gonna save myself, sir. Me, I was gonna save myself. I was gonna go to court and say, now all these things were brought by Zungu, the constable, to me. I trusted him with everything that was in me. I did not see him lying. I did not see. And then, Gininda, throw Zungu, the constable, under the bus, please. Throw him under the bus. In fact, don't just throw him under the bus. Throw Zungu out of a window of a moving train. In fact, Gibelani, no, Istimela is not going to do it. Ibas is not going to do it. Ngalani Gibeli Panoi. Take Ibani Panoi, no Zungu, the constable, please say. Gininda, Gibena Ipanoi, no Zungu, the constable, and throw him in the deep end of the ocean. Throw him there. Throw him there. Tell when they call you back, when that one section 186 happens, go back there and say, you know what, my lord, I was so naive. I was so naive. We know you are not naive, Mukulukutu. Just say, just say, I was so naive. Just say I was so naive. And then continue to say, when you took all this information from Constable Zungu, it is him who did all these things. Well, sir, I don't know how you are going to get out of the situation of arresting uMakhosonke, uGwabini, uShoes, and uNdwandwe, because I have a feeling that uNdwandwe was also arrested. I have a feeling that uNdwandwe was also arrested for this case. Now, I think even Ubuthelezi was arrested. It's just that he agreed to do what they said he must do. He became the state witness. I have a feeling that you arrested a lot of people. I don't know how you are going to get out of that one, but for the sake of progress, can you throw uZungu, the constable, into the wolves? Mtumele pa, wolves, in the lion's den. Throw him there. Not a problem. He's not your child. He was willing to sell out his own. Not your problem. Throw him. Iti, when he gave you all the info, you thought this was intelligence. Gininda, how are you going to get out of this one? Say, if you've been doing things for a very long time, say 2026 is not your favorite year because you are getting exposed left, right, and center. Not only that, you are becoming Gininda, yo, say, Gininda, Mr. Gininda, say, Mr. Gininda said things are not looking good. Now, on the real though, guys, how is Gininda going to get out of all these allegations against him? Or imagine if there could be an investigation on Gininda. Imagine if there could be an investigation on Gininda. How will Gininda survive the investigation, a thorough investigation on his name? He's not good, Mos, at hiding anything. He's not. So we can't say, no, he'll be able to hide. No. If Gininda was a good investigator and a good manufacturer, none of these loopholes and gaps on this situation would exist. These gaps and these so-called arrest of people with firearms, with ammunition, with ntonton that are allegedly not even existing, that are not true. Gininda was going to make sure he cover his back. The reason he can't cover his back is the reason why, if a real what you call investigation was to be triggered from his name, Gininda is gonna go down. Gininda will go down. I tell you, if guys Mkwanazi from KZN and team kindly investigate Gininda. Do you guys think Gininda would survive that investigation? If Mkwanazi, please give us your most trusted soldiers there. Give us your most trusted investigators. We want them to look into Mr. Gininda and that unit of his cold case unit. Please look into them. Do you guys really honestly believe that Gininda would survive that investigation? Do you guys remember there was a time where Bayusi's Pet was throwing with social media a lot of case numbers that were open on Gininda's name? Imagine if the PKTT can get hold of all those case numbers, and then come for the Senzo Meyiwa case, go to the Cruncher case and investigate everything. Do you guys believe Gininda can actually survive that? Can he? I doubt him now. I honestly doubt Gininda can survive a proper investigation. Gininda cannot, in my view, Gininda will never survive a proper investigation, illegal investigation. Gininda will never survive proper legal investigation. He would never. He will go down. Ibhongweni guy he's next to him because yena ulipolisa. And all 15 years akunoba into akumela iniko kafuneka niko life uGininda. Kuthiwe for being a brigadier, for being a officer of the law, for being a law enforcement and or defeating the ends of justice. How many defeating the ends of justice cases would be there if Gininda would be really thoroughly investigated? Him alone, besides the other members of his team, him alone. And then by the time we go to Mokgane, Mukhola, Mukwena, Mulaudzi, Bonke, they will get their types. I think people will be arrested when it comes to that. If only we can have just an honest investigation out of these people. Do you guys believe that they will come scot-free? They will come out scot-free? I don't think so. There is no way there will be so many allegations that are similar from different angles of people. There is no way. Because Gininda must still tell us Gininda talks a lot. Oh, he pepperates us a lot. He speaks a lot. Gininda would have told us about the arrest of Gwabini, the arrest of Makosonke, the arrest of Shoes. And I believe there was an arrest of Buteles. And I believe there was an arrest of, who's this guy? Sorry, of Ndwandwe. And I believe there are other people that suffered the same fate, but it's just that we don't know who they are. These people that were said by Shoes, they were coming from Mutu, they were coming from Kwanongoma, they were coming from Fosloras, they were coming from Marikan. I think there would be a lot of things that come out of that. Gininda, imagine if there could be an inquiry, a commission of inquiry regarding the Senzo Meyiwa investigation, 40 plus investigators, former police ministers. What else? Was it Nati before? I'm not sure if Nati was already one. If not, okay, I don't know if Nati was, but let me just include Nati Mthethwa, the late Nati Mthethwa, the alleged late Nati Mthethwa, the Ufikile Mbalula, Bheki Cele, all three of them. They get investigated. What was your thing? What did you do? And then now Senzo Mchunu and the current minister that is standing in for him. Do you think if a thorough investigation was to be done by the political killing stars team, it's national most now, if those can come through and assist in this case, do you think they will come with nothing? I don't think so. Oh, I don't think so, Sanalam. I absolutely do not think so. I think if those one were to come, we will have a lot of problems. We would have more than just problems. In fact, there will be a lot of revelations. Ukininda would not just get arrested, he will get sentenced, and his team. That is just me. Because there is no way these people, all of them, will accuse Ukininda. No, he's not that special, guys. Kininda is not that special. Something is brewing here. Something is brewing here, whatever it is, but something is brewing here. What are your thoughts when it comes to this? Let's talk in the comment section. I want to hear your views. Thank you so much. Do enjoy your day. I really appreciate you. Please make sure you do not forget to like, to share, to comment, and most importantly, please make sure you are subscribed on the channel. Please make sure you are watching the videos up until the end, and you are watching the ads that are coming through. When you are doing that, you are helping this channel to grow. Thank you so much. I really appreciate you. Bye-bye.